Hi, I'm Melanie from Penny and Associates, and today's question of the day is with Mr. Kent Luckey. So Kent, tell me, who is the best injury attorney for a car accident brain injury lawsuit in California?
Well, Melanie, the thing to think about, thing to keep in mind and understand about a brain injury, like a concussion, is that the brain never completely recovers. While most body tissues can regenerate over time, brain cells don't. So once that brain cell is damaged, it doesn't come back, meaning the victim of a brain injury may have permanent problems with cognitive function and senses or even body movement. So
So,
what I would tell somebody is, be aware of the typical signs of a brain injury. I mean, it can be anything from loss of consciousness, dizziness, balance issues, headaches, irritability, change in your sleep, attention and concentration, or sometimes just inappropriate or impulsive behavior. And oftentimes the victim of a brain injury has to relearn some coping skills to compensate for the harms caused by a brain injury. So the best attorney for a traumatic brain injury is an experienced personal injury lawyer who's handled brain injury cases. It isn't something to dabble. For example, an attorney may be highly skilled in basic personal injury cases and know orthopedics very well, but unfamiliar with the specific needs of a traumatic brain injury case. There's sophisticated neurodiagnostic testing. There's sensitive and specialized imaging that's needed. And a lawyer should know not only the terminology, but the meaning of certain tests, because the insurance company is going to hire a doctor of their own, typically a neuropsychologist, and that doctor is going to question every aspect of a client's traumatic brain injury. And for example, the favorite play of a defense doctor is to write a report acknowledging a concussion, but then go on to state that the symptoms should have cleared within 6 weeks to 6 months. And it makes them seem reasonable by agreeing that there was a concussion, at the same time calling your honesty into question and even suggesting that you're malingering.
wow.
So you should look for a lawyer who's skilled enough to take the defense neuropsychologist on using not only proper medical terminology, but have an understanding of the test results and how they're often misinterpreted or even manipulated.
Wow. So that one's not as simple as it seems on the surface. So yeah, having a good attorney that can navigate that is really important.
Know what you're looking for in a traumatic brain injury, because it's an injury unlike any other, such as a broken bone or a spine injury.
Are the statutes of limitations different with a brain injury?
The statute of limitations in California, by and large, is 2 years. There are certain exceptions to that. Those statutes limitations are extended in the case of a minor, and in the case of a government tort claim, that is some harm caused by an agency of the government. There's a 6-month statute. It's called a government tort claim statute.
Okay.
And if your claim isn't filed within 6 months, frequently you lose the right to bring a lawsuit.
Okay. Interesting. All right. Well, thank you so much, Kent.
You're welcome. Thanks for your time.
Okay. Bye-bye.